Hi everyone, this is my new project. So in this house on main floor I want to start doing double glue down. First of all I want to do cork, 1/4 inch, and then over cork I want to do hardwood floor. Before I start floor installation, so I have to check quality for this subfloor. So here is radiant heat subfloor and concrete subfloor, and it was long time ago built this house. And if you have a look on this floor, this entrance to the kitchen, it's this was more problem because look how the straight edge going up. So here is a place for hold my hand. So there is big hump. So I can put a lot of leveling here, but it's really expensive, or I can grind down approximately 1/4 inch down. It saves a lot of material. What I want to do, you see this piece of stone, it means I already grinded approximately from 1/8 to 1/4 inch down. Now I want to check what I grind here and take this mat from here, how the level look like. I need to take straight edge. If you have a look on this side, if you remember, here is I can put my hand under, but now I can't. So, and there's right there. If you see, here is some little gap because here is still high, and I need to grind down this place. I need to grind down another 1/8, and when it be flat, here is getting lower, and I need to put less leveling. Okay, so I'm gonna go grinding more. And so when we started, you can see where is the highest spot. You see, black, it's highest spot. Need to grind it down. One more. Check it out one more time. So if you have a look right here, it's everywhere flat, just some spot left here. If you try it, so we have to just fill up this area. Okay, so now I want to scrape all spots with mat, with scraper, and then make it smooth grinding. don't hesitate, put more primer, or if you put less, then new self-leveling compound can be in the future and stick from the subfloor. I have marked this mark exactly this red line, which is it showed me 0. This is too much time. And there. I set up everything, we can start leveling. Yesterday I finished this area, it's kitchen area. I grind glued out and matte, and then I did leveling. So look how it's perfect. It's all directions the same. You see?